In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to model a cup in Maya using curves. There are several ways you can start modeling the cup, but we are going to use the curve to model it, just to show you how it works. So I'm going to File and then click on New Scene and don't save. And then I'm going to Create, and then under the Curve Tools, you see here we have several types of curves. I'm going to choose EP curve because this is easier for us for now. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to hit space on the keyboard, and then I'm going to side view or front view, doesn't matter. So now in the side view, I'm going to hit the space again, and then I'm going to draw the curve. So I'm going to click somewhere there, and another point there, and another one here, and here, and here. And don't worry if you made any mistake, you can edit that later. So now I'm going to click at the center. As you see, it's difficult for me to center the point at the center of the grid, and this is important for us. So we can go up here and click on the snap to grid. So if I click on that, and now if I hold the middle mouse button and drag, you'll see I can snap it at the grid, or you can hold X on the keyboard. So now I'm going to turn that off. As you see, now the point is at the center. So now I'm going to hit enter on the keyboard, or you can just right click and choose object mode. So now I'm going to edit the shape. So I'm going to right click and choose control vertex. So now I can select the vertex and move them as I want. So I'm going to change these vertices to up, and you can change it as you like. So now I'm going to right click there, and I'm going to click on object mode. So now let's go to the perspective view, and then we are going to surfaces, and I'm going to click on the option box beside the revolve node because I want to edit the options there. So if I click on the square there, as you see, I have the options for the revolve node, and I'm going to edit and reset everything here. So now if I hit apply, as you see, we created the cup, but the problem is this is not polygon, so it's a NURBS. So I'm going to undo that, and I want to create polygons from that. So now if I hit apply, you'll see we have a triangles there. So I want them to be square to get really nice smooth mesh when we are going to smooth that. So I'm going to undo that again, and I'm going to scroll down there. You'll see we have a control point. So if I click on that, and now if I hit apply, as you see, Maya creates an edge loop on every point we have on the curve. So this is very useful. So now we need to close that because we don't need that. So now I can go back to the curve there, and I can right click and choose control vertex. And now even I created the polygons, I can still edit the shape of the cup, and this is so powerful. So you can edit that as you want. We can move it up, as you see, because the cup is too large. So we can go to the side view, and then I'm going to hit 4 on the keyboard to see the wireframe shaded mode there, and I can just go there and move them up. And of course you can move it. As you see, I can change the shape of the cup too from that too. And we can change the vertices there to make it a little bit rounded at the bottom. So now let's go to the perspective view, and we have the cup.